Hi, welcome to Crack SAP new video. Last video I have posted a sales order and how to check credit check on sales order and how to release a check credit blocked sales order. And after that I have gone with OBD, Outbond Delivery, and how to release the OBD and how we can some errors which we have faced while schedule agreement and serial number has been maintained, so I have maintained and then we have released. Then I am going with now it is a billing document. Now the billing document will be BF01. Is my 2080000 is my sale document OBD document number. I hit enter. Now I can save here. So now I can save here. Document has been saved. Now just I'm coming up. BF02 accounting document. So this is an accounting document will be then without any error. The accounting document has been this billing document. So where do I check the billing document in? Report APL 5UN. Go to APL 5UN. This is the master data. I have BP master, customer master. I have done it. Now the accounting document number is here. That is. And if you can see 10994 series is there. This is an accounting document. This one is an accounting document. Just now I have created. Okay. Thanks for subscribe, like it, and press the bell button for new videos. Thanks for watching. And I hope I'm coming with a new video that is how to create a receipt against a particular sale billing document. Watching and now subscribe, like it, press the bell button for new video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.